Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how you can eject your SIM tray if you have lost the pin that you normally get with your phone. So this is the alternative that I suggest using. You should be able to find it anywhere if you work in an office or just go through your mom and dad stuff. All we need for this is a little paper clip like so. So after we have taken this paper clip, all we need to do is bend one side like this. So it looks like a needle. Again, we're going to replicate what the original pin was like. So we're going to use this end right here. Then after you have bent it like so, you want to get your phone, find its hole, and just stick it in. It should perfectly fit like so. Now, if I just press here, as you can see, the tray popped up. Now I can bring it out, and that is how you get a replacement for your pin. So I hope you found this video useful. If it helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I will see you boys and girls next time. Goodbye.